Hello guys. So today let me show you the what are strings in PHP. String is a sequence of characters. PHP string functions. There are so many PHP string functions like strlen for finding the length of the string, str underscore word underscore count to find the words, number of words that are there in the declared variables. You have strrev for reversing the string, string to upper, string to lower. So like there's so many functions we have. Let us see few of them. So let me take a notepad. So here we'll include all the string functions. So let me take $a equals to say hello world. Okay. Now if you want to find the length of the string, you can just print echo strlen of $a. Okay. Close your PHP tag. So this is just to find the length of the string. Let me save this with strings string example string ex.php. So I'll just execute this. So I have not given semicolon. Okay. Since we have given it as a string, you are getting it as a output. Suppose if you are removing the double quotes, you will get it as a 11. So what is the reason? So echo, whenever you give it the double quotes, so whatever there is there in between the double quotes, it will get printed. So functions you can use them directly without giving a double quotes for the echo. Now let me reverse this string. So echo str strrev of $a. Okay, let us check. So I'll give br before that. So right, let me refresh. So you are getting in the reverse order the same hello world. Suppose if I want to find how many birds are there, hello, suppose here I'll change this to okay. Now I will count words. So echo str underscore word underscore count of $a. See what you get. The same br I will use here also to get a new line. Okay. So you are getting in reverse order and number of words are 6 and the length is 42. Okay. So these are the outputs you are getting. Similarly, echo str position pose of which word? Say ready, in which so this is the input I wanted to give. So I want to find the position of ready. Okay. So let me check. It is POS. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, this giving you 13. Let me take BR. Okay, refresh. So you're getting 13. So where is ready? So along with the spaces, it is giving the bird is at 13th position. Okay, so these are the few string functions that are there in PHP. Directly you can use anywhere you want. Okay, then so reverse we have seen, word count you have seen, then position we have seen. Okay, replace. So you can replace the strings. Suppose if I want to echo str underscore replace is a function. So replace, suppose if I give hello world, so I replace world with students. Okay, so in hello world. Okay, now world will be replaced with students. Let us see. So hello students. If you are not giving replace, you will get it as hello world. So I'm using BR here also. That is a concatenation operator. Okay, suppose if I remove students and I wanted to give hello MLR ITNs. Okay, now see. So you're getting hello MLR ITNs. So like that you can replace the strings too. Then so string compares for strcmp is used. So these are all the functions that you can use, which are very similar to your other programming languages, and the same functions can be used here also. So string to upper, string to lower. Okay, so these are all you can use for strings. So for defining a constant terms, we have define function. So you can define some particular value. So constant values you can define using the define functions. So this is about the strings. Thank you all. We'll see operators in our next session.